Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Tiffany, for those of you who don't know me. I'm currently working on a little project that I call All Out April, where I upload a new video every single day here on YouTube. And for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this pretty smoky eye with a pop of color. This is a really great eyeshadow look for those who are just getting into color or want a really easy and wearable way to wear color on their eyes. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards palette. This is a really pretty palette, guys, some really gorgeous shades. It's a good mix of some everyday shades as well as some pretty pops of color. So I figured this would be a good palette for this look because it's a one-stop shop and you don't have to bounce around to a bunch of different palettes. Anastasia was having a sale on their palettes, so I also picked up the Jackie Aina palette, and I will be doing some tutorials with that one in the future. So if you're interested in checking out when those videos go up, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when those are uploaded. But for now, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright guys, so I went ahead and primed my eyelids just using a little bit of concealer. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump into the palette. The first color that I'm gonna go in with is HOE. This is this shade right here. It's a nice, just like tan color, I guess. And I'm just gonna dust that all over my lids using a Morphe 504, which is just a big fluffy brush. I'm just going to lay down this color all over my eye. The next color that I'm going to go in with is Back Rolls, which is this dark brown over here, and then I'm just going to kind of put that into my crease and my outer V area. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and go back in with HOE and my Morphe M504 and then just blend this out. Okay, so that is it for the lid actually, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my base. I'm gonna start off with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Alright guys, so then I'm going to go ahead and do my brows while I wait for that to set in. I'm just going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown with a Morphe angled brush. This is the M165. Alright, now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This is the shade Rich Caramel, which isn't my actual shade. I'm actually Cinnamon, I believe, but I am currently out of foundation. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. This is technically like half a shade too dark for me, but we can work with this. All right, and then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Morphe concealer. This is the shade C3.25, and this is just gonna be for my under eye area. I'm currently missing my foundation brush, so I'm actually going to be using this tiny little buffer, so excuse me while this takes me 5 years to actually blend this out. So that is obviously not blended. So I'm going to take a little beauty sponge. Alright guys, so next I'm going to set my under eye area using the Morphe Banana Powder. Ooh, that under eye is something serious. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight my forehead and my chin area, and hopefully this will make it better. It'll make it better or it'll make it worse, I don't know, but y'all are here for the eyeshadow, not the space anyway, so let's do it. I'm gonna go in with the color Believe, which is this really pretty purple shade, and I'm just going to buff that under my eye for my pop of color. Alright, now I'm going to take the shade DDG, which is this purple glitter shade, and I'm going to use a Morphe M213 and kind of put that in my inner corner area and then kind of buff it into that purple. Okay, so I actually decided to take DGG and put it all over because I gave it more of a pop than Believe did. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some liner and do mascara. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner and put on some mascara. For eyeliner, I used the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and then for mascara, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. So now I'm just going to bronze my face. I'm gonna be using the Morphe Bronzer in the shade Showmance. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some powder on. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark. For blush, I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Risque. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay highlighter in the shade Exposed. And then I feel like this look needs a little bit of an inner corner highlight, but there wasn't anything in the Alyssa Edwards palette that I thought would be good for inner corner highlight, so I'm actually just going to go ahead and use my highlighter for that. I'm just going to use that same brush that I used to put the purple on. Alright guys, to set my face, I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. And then last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and pop some color on my lips. This is Verve from MAC. Alright guys, so that is it for today's look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to click that subscribe button for more all out April content. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.